Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing video of the Spring Florals box. This box contains one sticker book with 30 sheets, two double-sided paper sheets, one cute sticky note, one pen, two washi tapes and two adhesive pockets. Let me show you everything. Let me start with the washi tapes. How cute are these? This is how they look like when they are rolled out. So pretty! Then let's go to this cute sticky note. Pretty! Then we have two adhesive pockets. They're transparent and you can add your stickers in it or other planner accessories and stick it to, for example, your planner cover or dashboard or just on your planner page, whenever you like to add a pocket to. Then we have this really beautiful pen. You get pink gems, black ink, and beautiful green springy cover. Let's go to the double-sided paper sheets. These paper sheets have the size of a Happy Planner Classic, so you can also use them as cover, dashboard, bookmarks, anything you want to use it for. So the colors purple, yellow, pink and green are coming back in everything in this box. Everything is coordinating with each other, as you maybe already have seen it. That's because this beautiful sticker book has all those florals also. Let me show you how this sticker book looks like. I'm so excited because in this sticker book, the sheets are matte instead of glossy. So I'm really excited to show you. So this is everything from the Spring Florals box. I really hope you are loving this box as much as I do. Thank you for watching this video. This box is available for $35 in the Planything webshop. Thank you for watching. Bye!